seaweed. Seaweed touched me.
Cheese! Abby! Abby Dabby!
Another person.
We've been fishing and kayaking and having lunch in our kayaks in a quiet cove. We've been eagle searching.
Bryce just showed them how she's loading up the fire pit for s'mores.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's lots of different kayaks that we have over here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Driving the boat. Right?
Yeah.
I was just helping
Having lots of
Looking for
picnics
salamanders.
at the dock.
I was just helping
Finding
Pa.
snakes.
Yeah.
I was just helping Pa put up fishing poles.
Oh, perfect. So
Looking
that way.
for shooting stars at night.
Going to Blueberry Hill.
Yeah.
I want to show you around.
Okay,
Going to the 2
perfect.
cents.
Kayaks. Here's fishing poles for all
These
you.
are grown-up fishing poles.
Grown-up fishing poles for all you guys to enjoy.
Let's bring it over more.
Please rehang. Don't touch that. Has a.
rehang
Oh, it's
after
okay.
fishing.
Doesn't have that. Okay.
Please rehang fishing poles after each use. Please return tackle box to the closet after each use.
Perfect.
These are the life jackets.
We have life jackets
Remember to
hung
be
for
safe.
your safety.
This is the kayaks.
Now we have a canoe, we have open kayaks, closed kayaks, a paddle board, and also we have over here paddle board, and also we have over here for young ones.
Young one.
Nice
And we
sandy,
have a float right there.
nice sandy beach cove with the float you can swim out to.
No, that cup. The bucket.
The pail, it's okay.
There's lots of seaweed.
Yeah, there's lots and lots.
With even maybe some acorns floating.
Oh, acorns, there's lots of
And there's lots of
skipping
good
stones.
skipping rocks.
Yes, skipping.
There's fish. And there's some other rocks.
Wow, this is a big dock you guys have.
Look at this water.
Wow, the water is crystal clear. Well, there's a boat.
We have lots of chairs. Okay, now let's show you around somewhere else. Now we're going to show you the front yard.
Okay, come on, Abby.
Look at the house.
I know. Do you like sleepy there? Is it so comfortable?
The house up in Bildor.
The house is super beautiful. But you guys forgot to mention my most favorite part about the lake. The loons. I'm not the loons.
There's loons out there trying to catch fish.
Yeah. Careful.
Fireplace again.
The fire pit.
There's to enjoy the water. You can put some seaweed, leaves, boxes, cardboard boxes, or more greens and grass.
Wow. Oh, don't touch that.
The left side area right there. Come on, go up the hill.
Up the hill.
And watch out, there is lots of sparkles. So I will
Well-
remind you to wear your shoes.
Yes, wear your shoes. Not like what Scarlett's doing. Or Abby. Or Bryce.
Please do not touch these. This is where the grass is flowing. Don't touch that. Please do not go in here.
What?
There's a basketball hoop and a tire swing. First, I'm just going to show them the real float.
Coming up through the holes in the cardboard on the side.
There you go. There's the fire chimney.
And you won't be here for the Smithfield Summer Leap Year celebration this weekend. 3-day event.
Crappie
And what did you catch 2 of?
2 pickles.
You got 2 pickles?
And 1 crappie. I got 2 pickles.
You got 2 prickles.
No, pickerels.
Pickerels. And Scarlett caught 2 pickles. Look what Bryce caught. Oh, there it goes.
That's the best kind.
All right, careful. What do you think? It's a big one, huh?
Can I hold it and throw it back in the water?
Sure, Pop's gonna come get it off the hook for us.
Okay. It was like
Look,
the worm was like
the
this
worm
big.
is in its mouth.
The worm was like this big. Oh my dear.
You see the worm? Oh! We gave it a little crayfish snack. Look at that.
Come look at my
That one looks,
baby.
wow, it's almost all gone. I've never seen them eat a worm before.
Mommy, look, I'm holding it.
Let me see.
Look at this big.
Wow.
Look, there's some big pinchers.
Yeah, I
Bryce
see.
is being a weird person saying she wants to rip its claws.
It's got it in her mouth going, is it mine? Pick your new lure, Scarlett?
Yeah.
Nope, it's just the accoutrements now to get to the lure itself.
Are we gonna get another worm?
Yeah.
Let's get one more. Huh?
Sarah's using all of the fishing poles to break them.
Oh my goodness.
Which one, Katie?
The same.
That one?
Ooh, that's a cool looking one.
It's a good thing we're going home tomorrow. Tomorrow, because I won't have any more left.